Hello, Andrea Pinkney-Walker here with Week 6 Video Journal. Briefly describe one of the disability categories under IDEA and discuss what you believe the school counselor/psychologist role in supporting the student with the disability. The disability that I choose this time is visually impaired. I choose this because recently I just got a student to evaluate for a triennial, and her first disability is visual impairment. She is legally blind in one eye. I feel like the first step for us is actually to just understand what the student is going through and be able to, in order to be able to help them the best we can. Visual impairment doesn't necessarily mean that they may be academically falling behind if we do our job. And when I say do our job, I mean finding different techniques that will help the student, whether it be if they need Braille, we make sure that that's provided for them. If they need bigger font in a book, we make sure that's provided. If they need visual tests more often, we get the nurse involved. I feel like with visual impairment, it could be like a make or break for a student depending on the support that they have. It's just our responsibility, and it's not just the counselor and the psychologist's responsibility, it's also the teacher or that student's responsibility, because they may see something in the classroom that we're not seeing that we can accommodate the student with, and then they bring it to our attention, whereas we can provide these things for the student to be able to be as successful as possible. Because when we're talking about students qualifying for special education, the whole point of it is for them to be as successful as possible, even if they are able to make it to the general education population.